Hello, dear friends. These are readily available. My mother and I have prepared something very special for your wellness, of course, and daily maintenance. This is a natural, wholesome mixture made with love to support your health every day. So, it's a powerful blend of fresh ginger, garlic, red onion, honey, calamansi, and lemon, carefully combined to give you a natural boost, support immunity, and refresh your body. Whether you want to feel energized, take care of your immunity, or just enjoy a healthy daily habit, this little mixture is here for you. So, if you're interested and would like to have your own, just send me a message. Of course, we prepare this with love for your health and wellness. Okay, so as you can see, this is a mixture of garlic, onion, ginger, with honey, lemon, and calamansi. So, these are made with pure love and joy, of course. And if you are interested, you can just give me a message. So, these are readily available to be for delivery today. So, for those who are not yet informed, you can avail yours and you can just give me a message. So, it made like this combination of garlic, onion, ginger. This is red onion, which is really very good for health, very powerful ingredient. And of course with honey, lemon, and calamansi as well. So these are for delivery. So God bless us all and have a great one.